Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to make chicken stew. I have so many, my own creation of different kind of chicken stew. And today I would like to share the super easy one using simple ingredients, but trust me, it will taste really delicious. So let's start cooking. And for this recipe, I will be using the chicken drums. Lastly, we need some parsley. Sprinkle some parsley on it and our delicious chicken stew is ready to serve. It goes pretty well with the warm rice because I love rice. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.